Here at the ENRYB Training Centre are an international welding training company with 40 years management experience under their belts and offer practical, one-on-one and hands-on welding training. Our welding trainers are experienced offshore pipeline instructors and will watch over you while you are learning the techniques of welding with our first-class equipment. We hire out welding bays, allowing us to complete the welding procedure qualifications and training. We offer manual welding and semi-automatic welding, some such as AS1554, AS3992, and AWS D1.1. Some of the processes of welding include gas metal arc, flux core, manual metal arc, surface tension transfer, and orbital. We are conveniently located in Welshpool, so if you are looking for some welding training, then give us a call on 08 9451 6778